what my hair is. So I keep thinking about that is so unprofessional. What?
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Charity Sinae and I am back with another video. And today I'm just going to show you guys how I like lay this wig and make it look, you know, not so wiggish. I do personally feel like wigs, the way to make them not look wiggish is also wearing makeup. I really think that, like, I don't know why, but have you ever seen somebody wearing a wig without makeup and it just look like, okay, it's a wig? I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like, you know, it's cool if you don't wear makeup without the wig as long as it still looks good. I just feel like the makeup is going to bring it all together. And personally I do, but I'm not wearing makeup in this video. That's the real reason why I said that, because I'm not putting makeup on in this video. I just don't want to wear makeup on my face today. So this hair is from UNice hair. It's a really popular, inexpensive hair company. I don't know, y'all may have already heard of UNice. You can get UNice from their site or you could get UNice from Amazon. I got this hair from their site. I have in 3 bundles. I have in, I believe, 126 and 224s, and then I have in a 20-inch closure. Oh yeah, and this is Peruvian body wave. So it's pretty full, honestly. Like, this hair is so full. If I just split it completely down the middle and bring it all up, it's extremely full. And then it comes, like, it's really long too, so I gotta get on my chair. So it comes like right here, like at my waist. Yeah, it comes like right there. So it is long, and I am 5'6" or 5'7", and I believe I am pushing 5'7". So that gives you just an idea if you are my height and you want to kind of see, you know, where they would stop on you. So I really like this hair. It is very, very, very minimal shedding. Like, it's just like, you won't get a lot of shedding. I believe, yeah, you won't get a lot of shedding. You'll probably get like 1 strand. I don't even know if y'all can see that. 1 strand if you just rub your fingers through it. It really is so soft. It is so freaking soft. I love this hair. This is my first wig. I will insert a clip of me done up so y'all could see, you know, me with my makeup on and with this hair and just how it all looks. Even though it was a thumbnail for my previous video of me wearing this wig, I did create this wig myself. I made this wig. All I did was ordered the hair and then I made the wig myself. This is my first wig. I am so proud of it. Like, I'm so proud. I do have I sewed in some clips on the inside. I sewed 1 on each side. They're right here, and then I just sewed 1 in the back just to make sure it's really secure. I am gonna get an elastic band to sew on the inside just because the clips, they kind of hurt the side of my head. So I'm gonna just get some elastic bands. Other than that, oh, the closure. So the closure, the knots do not come bleached at all. So I bleached the knots. If you don't bleach the knots, it's not gonna look right. So I bleached the knots, and to bleach the knots I use the Salon Care. I use the 20 cream volume, and then I got the quick white. I got that to mix in with it. This is its natural state right here, how it looks, these waves. This is how it looks when I had wet it and I just let it dry. I didn't do anything else to it. I just simply wet it and I just let it air dry. I do like the closure. The closure comes out to here, so that's a whole forehead, so that leaves you room to do any type of part you want to do. You know, with all that being said, we just gonna get right into the video. Okay, all right, so here's the wig and this is what it looks like on the inside and all that good stuff. So once I have it in a good place on my head, I just go ahead and secure it with the clips I have on the inside. So I'm gonna take my Got To Be Ultra Glue gel. The difference between this black one and the yellow one is this one is just gonna have more of a stronger hold. And it's what I'm gonna use to, you know, lace some little baby hairs in the front, you know. Now I had already cut some baby hairs in the front from the first time I styled this wig. So, you know, all the details on how I even made this wig and how I did the baby hairs and, you know, plucked the closure and lightened it, I'm going to include that in my next video where I go full in detail on how to make your own wig. And you know, you just kind of have to play around with it. You know, the key to some good baby hairs on a wig is to just not make them too thick, because then it's gonna look like a wig. So try to make them as thin as possible and you be good. I think, you know, as long as you can see your skin through the baby hairs because they're that thin and, you know, spaced out, you good. So I still struggle with it. I have my good moments and my bad moments, so you know, it's all good. So now I'm going to take some Pump It Up. I get this trick from my girl Abby Nicole. Now she knows how to slay and lay a wig, okay? And I'm just going to use it at the top though. I'm going to use it at the top just so it could lay down better. And I also use it where the top of the frontal, not frontal, but closure is, the and where the baby hairs are, because I find that spraying it right where the baby hairs are and where the edge of the closure is, it makes the closure kind of melt into the skin, so you will not be able to see it. Like, it just, you need this. Like, it really does work. I love this stuff, and I love how my closure just like disappears from this stuff. Then I'm gonna just pull my hair back for a brief second so I could put my scarf on, just to make sure the baby hairs are in place, you know, and everything is just laid the way I need it to be. And I'll just let it sit for a few minutes. Now on a regular day I let it sit until I'm done doing my makeup, but for the sake of this video, a few minutes. And then honestly, that's it. That's like all I do pretty much. Alright guys, so that completes today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I hope y'all like it. You know, I like this wig. You know, I really like it. I was feeling myself. Like when I get my makeup on, I get my full face on, I be feeling myself. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down below what you would like to see from me on my channel. Keep in mind this is a beauty channel. And then subscribe as well. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.